So hi guys, this is Jerome Cebrero and today we will be doing art vlog and ang napili natin is face painting. So before we start, syempre maglalagay tayo ng headband sa ating ulo. And syempre, maglalagay tayo ng foundation. So we will be using Erebellena in the shade Olive and maglalagay lang tayo ng right amount sa ating face. Sige, ayan, pahid lang. Oo, ayan. So in other areas naman of our face. So ayan, natapos tayo. So we will be using the Lamila concealer to cover our dark spots. So nilagay ko lang siya sa ating under eye, sa ating kilay, sa ating gilid ng ilong, and sa ating labi. And kinalat lang din natin siya gaya ng ginawa natin sa foundation. And once we're done, we will be doing contour. And since wala tayong contour, we will be using the Erebellena Pro Rich in this shade. And lalagay lang natin sa ating cheekbones and sa ating kanoo-noohan. Yan, sige. Girl, ayan. Binawasan lang natin. And we're doing some finishing touches and we're done. So ngayon naman maglalagay tayo ng ating nose line and same shade lang din sa kanina. And ayan, kung gusto mong tumangos ang iyong ilong, ibe-blend lang natin sa ating face using makeup sponge and we're done. And lalagyan natin ng contour to highlight the middle part. And yan, tapos na tayo. Ayan, ayan, nagpahid pa. Maglalagay naman tayo ng eyeshadow ngayon. So, same palette and we will be using these two shades. Okay? Ayan, maglalagay tayo sa ating mata. Ayan, on the other side naman. And yan, binawasan lang natin siya by using concealer of Lamila. Papantayin lang natin siya and we're done. So ngayon naman gagamit tayo ng same shade from our eyeshadow to our blush on and another shade naman sa ating upper cheeks. Sige, ayan. And once we're done, we will be brushing our brows para man lang magpantay and we will be using this shade again, Erebellena. And yan, ayan, for our eyebrows. And we will be using mascara. I don't know this brand, pero ang ganda niya, promise. And yan, so lalagay lang natin sa ating pilik mata. And we will be using the curler to curl our lashes. And we need to moisturize our lips by using the Erebellena Cleanse Off. And we will be using eyeliner to make a line for our face paint na ating gagawin. So I chose the heart and yan, naglagay naman tayo sa ating dalawang sides of our eyes and ayan, these are the remaining parts na ating lalagyan. Sige, ayan, linis lang natin ang edges. And yan, since we're done, kukulayan naman natin by using the same shade na ating ginamit for our eyeshadow. So, ayan. Sige, ayan ang pinakamadugong part ng ating face painting. Okay, so on the other side naman. Onting tiis na lang and we're done. So, lalagyan naman natin ng foundation ng ating lips and concealer to remove the red part of our lips. Kasi nga, lalagyan natin ng Maybelline Superstay Matte Lipstick ang ating labi and we will be shaping it into heart. And yan, since we're done, we will be lining our lips again to make it more defined. Sige, ayan. Once we're done, so here's the finished product. Transitioner. Forma siya. Si like. Ayan naman. So, papakita natin ang ating analysis in 3, 2, 1.
That's all. Thanks for watching.